Hey guys, welcome back to North Coast Garage, and we're going to be doing part 2 on this Ford dually of my neighbor's. He's already loosened and the fenders are off. They're just held on by one bolt, but he took the fenders off for me, so we're just going to take them off, clean them up, and hopefully get them in primer today. That's if the sun comes back out, because right now, when it got cloudy, the temperature dropped and it is freezing out here. Like, I think it's gonna snow, actually. That's how cold it is. And it's May. It's the 1st of May or something like that, and talking about wet snow again. This is ridiculous. Anyways, well, I gotta move the Crapalac and the Shiprox Buick 2.0. I gotta move those out of the way so I can work underneath my tent here. Alright, so I guess we gotta take all these plastic clips out, and this is like spray foamed. This is factory, I think. It's like spray foamed to the fender. It's not a smart idea, but anyways. And then we got these clips here. You just push them with some pliers. That should just pop out. And then, yeah, this thing has been oil sprayed. You can see the oil spray in there, but obviously it doesn't really work on the edges. But yeah. Oh. They're broken. Oh, that flew all the way over there. They all broke anyway, so we're gonna have to replace them. I gotta try and figure out how to get this out of here without damaging the fender itself. I'll just pull it. I don't know why Ford did that. They used like spray foam almost to glue this in. It's already got the clips that hold it in. It doesn't need to be spray foamed in. Look at all the peeling paint. All inside of here. It's all peeling. That's all gonna have to be... I could probably just use my air blower and it'll peel the paint off for me. But hopefully this thing comes out easily. So far so good. There you go. I don't think I'm going to be able to do much today because I really need these clips on the back. I kind of need like the garden hose and stuff to clean this up. But it's so cold out today, I don't know if I want to do that. Look at the peeling and the rust. And this was oil sprayed. Imagine if this wasn't oil sprayed. Damn. Everywhere where there's an edge, like just on the just like the box side, everywhere where there's an edge, the factory paint just failed. spray it.
I don't know what you're doing. I put this back on that car.
Yeah, see all the rust, Henry?
Yeah.
It has to be all sanded down so it doesn't continue to rust.
Yeah.
I don't even know if that's going to be possible with this thing. There's so many...
What? So many gas?
There's a lot of paint peeling and rust forming already on this. Like, found if you get this oven cleaner, it'll really attack the oil and the grease. So let's try it over here. And it's really, this stuff here is a lot, it's like really thick, like a gel almost. So it's staying where you spray it. Yeah, this has only been sitting on there for like a couple of seconds or so. Could probably do for more soak time. But I'm in the middle of doing the cleaning on this thing, and you know how I said it was cold? It's actually snowing out. I don't know if you can see it on there or not. Little tiny snowballs. They come down. There you go, you'll see it on the tonneau cover. See? Little tiny snowballs coming down. It's May 2nd. Today's the 2nd day of May, and it's snowing. Yeah, it's rain mixed with snow, mixed with little tiny balls of ice. You can see it in the chair. What the hell? Okay, so I got it all cleaned up pretty good. A couple little spots here, but I think that's just dirt that's in the paint. But yeah, now you can see where it's all peeling all the way around the edges, you know. Yeah, so one fender down. Now I gotta clean the other fender. Look at that. I cleaned this. This is in the paint. Like, this needs to be polished. That's how dirty it is. They're just wearing out, wearing thin, whatever it is. And that crap paint job that the previous owner did on this truck. But yeah, now I just got to get the other fender off. It's on there loosely, but I can get that there and clean it up. Okay, I got the other fender off. There's the driver's side fender. This is the passenger side fender, and I noticed it's painted inside. This fender has been replaced. This is not the original fender off the truck. I can also tell because this is different. This seam here that they used to glue those foam things in, that's different, and it's painted inside. On the original factory fender, it just has the overspray and the original foam. Okay, but this one here definitely been painted before, and it's not the original fender, a replacement fender, and there's a hole in it. So this is, yeah, and I think this was painted. This fender was replaced before the previous owner did his cheap paint job, because it's painted the factory color, and we can tell that here. See the difference? That's the factory color, but obviously this was replaced even previous to the original, or to the other owner that did the cheap paint job on this thing. So that's something new that I just found out. Anyways, I really think I'll probably just sand these down tomorrow. I don't feel like doing it today. It's getting late and my hands are freezing cold and wet. So yeah, we'll get back at it tomorrow, hopefully. Alright guys, there's no way in hell I'm going to be able to get all the rust out of the pits on here. You can see how, but I do have some more of this stuff here. This has phosphoric acid in it, and it converts the rust to like a primered surface. So I'm going to do that, and then with that little hole there, this is a replacement fender. It's going to be way too thin to try and weld or anything there. We're just going to fill it with some fiberglass, and I told him it's not going to last forever, but you know, it'll last longer than just nothing. So anywhere where there was a heavy rust and they can't get it all out of the pits, like around this side and on the inside as well, I'm going to spray the rust converter first. Probably do a couple heavy coats of this stuff because it was pretty heavily rusted there. Nice. Well, I'll let that set up. See, it's already turning purple right there. So you know it's working then. All right, so got the inside all sprayed. Did a coat of primer first on top of that rust converter stuff, but yeah, that's probably fine. And once it's all done, it's all gonna get, you know, re-oil sprayed again. But yeah, figured I'd just protect that as best I could. And then once this dries, we're gonna flip it over, get some primer shot on the other side, and then put this out to dry, and then get the other fender in here. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to paint again. It's just so goddamn windy out. I'm using a different color of paint this time. We're using 2K Glamour Clear. It's got the thing in the bottom. This one's, the clear spray is way better than the color. Way better. These are probably newer cans. That's probably why. One of the things with it anyway. All right, guys. Sorry I didn't get the spraying of the clear on video, but this fender actually turned out really good. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but a couple little spots here and there. But I mean, considering where I'm working, not too bad. I really like that spray can, that clear sprayed really well. This one didn't turn out as good. There's a bit more spots and stuff in it, but the truck itself isn't perfect, right? So the main thing is the rust is all gone. Yeah, not too bad. I like that. I like that clear right there. So what did I use? 2 cans? I think I used 2 cans. So Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna let this sit here and just dry. I can't really touch it yet, so yeah. Thanks for watching.